Whenever I see a quadratic equation, this formula instantly pops in my head. That's because no one talks about a quick technique completing this square. Let's understand it with this example. Step 1. Move the constant term to the right. Now take the coefficient of x, divide it by 2 and square it. Step 3. Add this result to both sides, giving x plus 2 whole square on the left. In the last step, take square root. X plus 2 is plus minus 4. That gives two values of x, minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 plus 4. And without complex calculation, you have the roots minus 6 and 2. But wait until we have solved this example. Here we'll use the same technique with one extra step, that is to make the coefficient of x square 1. First divide the whole equation by 3. Now move the constant term to the right. Next take coefficient of x, divide it by 2, square it and add it to both the sides. On left, x minus 4 by 3 whole square. On right, 4 by 9. After square root, x minus 4 by 3 is plus minus 2 by 3, giving two values of x, 2 by 3 and 2.